Hello, thank you for watching. If you could, subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. So today now I have this Quicke number 3 bucket. As you can see, the floor's rotten out of it. So there's quite a few holes you can see from there. Also the back has gone a bit, you can see there.
It's a piece of junk!
Someone has already bolted some angle here in it. Each side, each corner, where it's gone before. And strengthen it in the middle here, all bolted together. So I think I'm going to do is, I'm just going to plasma cut it right atop of these angle irons because it's a bit rotten underneath here. And the height of this should just about cut out the rotten bits and back as well.
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious, and don't call me Shirley.
So shape this bucket now, I should get away with just having a flat floor. Shouldn't be too badly, hopefully.
Gentlemen, we can rebuild him. We have the technology.
That's it all cut now. So I had to cut round the brackets there. So got all the rot now really. So going to lift it up now with a loader and give it a wallop downwards. See it'll fall off. I missed one little bit here. I didn't quite cut enough this side really. You know something? I don't think I've actually had to buy a new sheet metal to do one of these buckets I do on YouTube. So here's the next one now. I found this sheet in the back of shed, cut off. I don't know what it came off of then, probably some years ago. It's had a notch, take out there. You see, it's just nice. And here as well. So it's just a perfect fit really, couldn't get better much really. So really, just extend that notch over to here and cut a chunk off it to repair this. So that's just bang on there, isn't it? So that's it coming along now. So cut out the square out of that sheet and then, well, made it a bit longer and then scored halfway through a grinder line right across so you could weaken that bit to bend it. So that covers the back now. Cut a new triangle bit there and a bit of flat bar strengthening again. Couple patches just in corners there. And new flat bar for blade there. So I'm just at it now, welding it all up really. I'll go around now welding the sides now and then I'll flip it over to do the back there. And then I need to get some flat bar for wear strips underneath this floor here. So we'll see that later on then. So a case of this is, you can see, tacks. You know, a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there. So doing that now so it doesn't actually warp the whole thing. If you went in one line, you'd warp it then. So just a bit here, bit there, so it holds it all in place, and then you can finally fill up the gaps then basically. So I've welded the blade underneath, so like stitch welding it. Don't need to do it all the way. And I'm putting these wear strips in now. So I like to put these wear strips from the bracket to the front, so it strengthens it in all as well. Ideally, I'd usually use 2-inch wide stuff, but I've run out then and I only have this 1.5 inch, and it matches the brackets nicely as well. So it's just made to wear basically. You wear this instead of wearing this, so it'll be right. So I'll weld these up now, same as that, you know, just a bit at the front, bit of middle, bit at the back. Then I'll fully weld right down the side here now. I've fully welded the inside, I'll fully weld the outside now. So at the start now, you saw me only sort of tack welding this into place, so little welds and far apart. Reason for that is to stop the whole thing warping. But now that I've actually fully welded everything else, I'll finally come back and finish this off. So you need to fully weld this front edge, because anything you push into will push against this edge and try to peel it back. So it needs to be fully welded to hold this all down, and it basically will wear instead of this as well really. So that's the reason for that. Like behind here where it doesn't actually get pushed on, you can weld, you know, bits there sort of thing. So stitch welding it. But this front edge has to be fully welded. So it's had a coat of red oxide now, and it's done. So I've just done round it, I've put a new steel. So I've just painted the new stuff and a bit of old around it where I've sort of ground it down and burnt the old paint off. So that's this job done.
Nice.
Thank you for watching, and that's it for me for now then.